Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla brake pads. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. Gather all necessary tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, a lug wrench, a 14mm socket, and a C-clamp. Remember to loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you are working on while the car is still on the ground. Also, open the brake fluid reservoir cap under the hood to prepare for piston compression. Now, let's get to removing the old components. Use your jack to lift the car, then place 2 jack stands securely under the vehicle for safety. Once the car is stable, remove all the lug nuts and carefully take off the wheel. Next, locate the 2 14mm caliper guide pin bolts and remove them. Gently slide the brake caliper off the rotor and use a wire hanger or zip tie to suspend it, ensuring no strain is placed on the brake hose. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, use a C-clamp and an old brake pad to slowly compress the caliper piston fully back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they fit snugly. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Tighten the 2 14mm caliper guide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds for proper security. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Now, using a torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds in a star pattern for even pressure. Before driving, pump the brake pedal repeatedly until it feels firm. Finally, take your Corolla for a careful test drive, avoiding any sudden or hard braking for the first 200 miles to properly bed in the new pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.